Lakas ako.
Sir, good afternoon.
This burger meal, medium price.
Medium drink.
Price lang.
₱28 please. Ang paninsin.
Get the money.
100. Ate, ang change. Salamat. Daddy, I saw the manager. Babay ka, magbabay. Magbabay. Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Pag-open, pag-open.
Ayun na si baby. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Awkward.
One large price.
Sir?
Large price.
One large fries.
They should have long hands.